Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so, what do we have? Fixed string stream for 0 Hour tools has been merged. Then we need to replicate that fix for generals. Yeah. I guess we just manually replicate that. Let me see. Main. So we already rebased this, right? Okay, so I think the first thing we need to do is append the number here. No, hold on, that's the wrong one. Here, this one. Okay, so revert. Revert. By the way, did we fix actually this correctly? Yeah. Okay, so we're looking at this change. And we're looking for this guy. Actually, hold on. We first need to uncheck these guys and we check these guys. Yeah. Configure. How about we close Visual Studio now instead of... Oh, well, it has to unload here as well. Oh, actually, that was not too bad. So maybe that will be faster. Closing Visual Studio and restarting it. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's also hanging here. Yeah. But seems to be maybe a bit faster. Okay. Then let's compile this guy. No, not yet. We search for this guy. Okay, so matchbot wlib wdebug. Matchbot my debug. And here. Okay, and then we replace these guys here with these guys. Okay, then that would be it, yeah. Then let's see if that compiles. Okay, we can already prepare the change as well. Fix string stream for generals tools build. Okay, then submit that. Good. After rebase, looks all green. Let's merge generals, tools, fixes first, then and then use slap all built for VS 2022 over it. Okay, so this one has passed. Let's already push it. Okay, maybe we also locally build generals here just to make sure. How about we build everything? That's a good idea. We built everything with VS6. Yeah, let's go. Ta-da. There we go. Sorry. Okay. And build. Maybe we should also, when this is done, let's also make a build here. It's all 0 hour, all generals, debug and profile, everything slapped in there. The whole arsenal. Well, that means we should already close this one because that will be regenerates. What you say? What say what? I don't know if it's worth reading all this. I don't know. I'm reluctant to read everything because many things are just noise. What say you? What does it mean? What say you? Good. Good. So this one is compiling, and this one is building. Actually, we can already build this here as well. Yeah, because it's a separate folder that this is being generated in. Yeah. Good, then let's give this one a spin. So now we're building both 0 hour in generals and all tools. And the expectation is that this runs through without any errors. Huh? Already done? Well, that was unexpected. How about we do a full rebuild? Yeah. Okay, while this is still building, let's take a look if we can review anything here. Code. Notifications. What is this? Implements automatic change logger. Okay. He closed it himself, okay. Playing sounds exclusively for local player can mismatch the game? What? Local player is quite useful because it allows defining the player without needing to reference the specific index. Local player tends to cause mismatches in multiplayer matches, where there are some scripts where local player works without issues. Making it function correctly often requires using unconventional or quirky methods. Oof, okay. I'm surprised that playing sounds would cause mismatch. Because sound is local, right? It's nothing that is related to game state, I would imagine. Unexplained mismatch when AI trains construction units in custom leaf forest map. What? Unexplained mismatch when AI trains construction units in custom leaf forest map. Ultimate boss command center conversion in my customer. What? Okay, so he has like a map and it always mismatches. Okay. I guess that's a good, like, it's a good test to see what's wrong in there. Yeah. Okay, compilation is going strong here. What? Copilot, pull request overview. This PR adds continuous integration support for builds. We're enabling gated extras for VC6 builds and renaming the workflows. Introduce a new CI workflow. Huh. Requested a review from Copilot. What? Cool. Okay. Good. 112 succeeded, 0 failed. 1 skipped. I don't know what that is that skipped. Maybe the Max SDK? Max, yeah, Max plugin. Okay, cool. Then this has passed. Then I think we can merge this guy. So here the VC6 builds have passed, and locally, well, it's still ongoing, but this one has passed. And this one, maybe we wait for this just in case, just to be safe. Okay, but we can already prepare, rebase and merge. Oh, Copilot reviewed. Let's see what it does. Generated no comments. Language not supported. Wow. Is that all that Copilot came up with? It generated no comments. Okay, great. Jesus Christ. It's at 100%, but it still keeps going. There we go. Okay, succeeded. I think we are fairly confident that this is good. Confirm, rebase, and merge. Let's go. Let me look one more time over the commits if they all look good. We got all the numbers here. Yep. The number matches the number here. Yep. Generals tools. Yeah. Looks good to me. Then confirm, rebase, and merge. Let's go. Boom. Delete branch. Okay, then we go to remotes, fetch and prone. Okay, go to main branch, pull, delete. Okay, good. Then we go to inline assembly. We also rebase this guy. Let's push it. Generals, tools, fixes, merged. Dolphin, Go, 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 go. Okay, so basically the next step now is to, for the dolphin, yeah, it's to enable all these things. I will add myself as a reviewer. If I understand what's happening here. Build two chain required, blah. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Code installation, okay. This looks quite a bit error prone here because he has to go ahead and edit this. Let me add a comment here. This looks, this indexing looks error prone. How about if tools equals true, then build flags plus equal else OM. This indexing looks error prone. How about that? To me, that would be the more logical choice to write this. Oh no. The diff is outdated. Oh boy. Refresh. Let's try this again. Oh, now we put the comment at the wrong place. It's supposed to be here. Delete. Okay, what else can we say? I have no idea what this bullshit is. Let's just assume it makes sense. No idea. No, who writes like this? What is this language? Why is this so unreadable? My gosh. Well, it's probably readable if someone understands the syntax, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This here I can understand. There's like an if, an equal, true. This I can understand. But this, yuck, yuck, blah. What is this here? Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 I don't know what the spyglass here is supposed to do. Gen CI. Oh, this file was deleted. Let me submit this review. I have nothing else to say. What the hell is that? Ah, plus tools plus extras. Uh-huh. All right. Oh, now it's building a lot here. Build generals MD. Oh. I wonder if it makes more sense to say build 0 hour here. Well, I guess it's accurate according to the folder name. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the build looks like will take a bit longer now because it has to queue a bunch of things while other things are busy. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think it's too many combinations, aren't there? Um, let me look here in files change. Um, let me. So debug VC6 debug. This Win32 debug, what does it do? Win32 debug. Let's search for .json. Okay, so it contains it's debug, build debug on, okay. Internal. To me it looks like let me search here for profile. Good, so yeah, I think this makes sense, the separation, yeah. Because you want to have these guys be able to build an isolation of each other without errors, yeah. That's probably okay. It's quite a lot of targets though. You have, yeah. Like let's say we add then Clang builds and then Linux builds and yeah, these things, this becomes like a really big compilation then, right? Well, maybe it's not a problem. Looks very promising. What is this here? Jesus Christ. Okay, if the Dolphin manages today to merge the builds for Visual Studio 2022, then I think I will be happy. Yeah, I think that will be our first milestone. Yeah, pretty much. Unofficial milestone. Casting is an ugly operation, so should have obvious and ugly syntax. Okay. What? Is casting ugly? Nah. I don't agree with this statement. No. It's absolutely legit operation, cast. The real interpret cast, yeah, that's a suspicious one, but static cast is fine. Const cast are also suspicious, yeah. But sometimes const cast is okay. Sometimes. Some situations. Like for example, if you have like a if you make a function where you have a non-const and the const version of, yeah, for example, they return something, one const and one non-const, and then you can make a const cast on this pointer to call one of the functions from the other function to avoid implementing the same thing for one const and one non-const. Yeah, that's a pattern, which I think is legit. Yeah. I wonder how many people were able to follow my my sample explanation. probably was confusing. Yeah. It's always better to do an illustration, but I'm too tired for this now. I'm just staring at my screen right now. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you force pushed again. That means there will be another build. Let's see how that looks. Hmm. Trigger build. What is this? And it's gone. What was this? Yeah, well, this shouldn't be a merge here. Yeah. So I assume he will merge with squash, right? Yeah, hopefully. Okay, we do have pull request open for level 1 warnings. Safely fixes about 2,500 warnings. That's nice. By the way, issues, we have closed the... We have closed... here, this one, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the commits. Yeah. I'm not sure about this linkage. Yeah, the linkage here looks wrong. 5.3, it should be 5.3.4. Okay, then how about we take a look at these guys? Yeah. Okay, let's see. I suggest use add compile. Add compile keyword. Incomplete copy constructors causing uninitialized variable warnings. Incomplete copy constructors. Please put preprocessor to the front, to the begin of the line. That's what EA also does, right? Well, for the most part, I guess. Sometimes not, but typically they do. Here. Please put preprocessor code to the beginning of the line. Or let's say, please no indent for preprocessor code. Preprocessor. Let's say remove indent. No space between, or remove space between that and that. Thing template. Incomplete copy constructors causing uninitialized variable warnings. What? Incomplete copy constructors. Let's rename this to use add compile keyword. Compile. Or let's maybe compile warning. For the other, we use add compile, but maybe we should rename that to add compile error. Compile warning. Yeah. Okay, I still need to understand what is going on here. It's too bad I cannot see this warning. Well, I guess we could actually see it here. Let me see. Global data. I would like to see it. Because for me, I don't understand the reason the way it's put there. It looks strange. Let me see. Output here. Global data. That's CPP. I don't see it. I need to revisit this. What is this here? Static cast, okay. Yeah, I guess this is fair enough, but this one I didn't actually understand. I already added this comment elsewhere. Let me ask the same thing again. I remember we already did that last session. So so make H results returns this here. Why does this error? Why does this? Why does this produce a warning? Code already makes it a H results. Preview. So here it casts already to H result. Why is this? Why does this require another cast here? That's what I don't understand. Yeah, let's ask this question. Remove indent for preprocessor code. Remove space. Remove space. Yeah, I need to look into this. I don't understand this. Yeah. Okay, register keyword. The super hackers. To can remove this comment. The entire file is from us. Can remove this part of the comment. The entire file is from us. Yeah. No need for that comment. White space was changed. White space was changed. Okay. Next. Static cast real. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Let me ask, no static cast here. Revert the white space changes. It was not touched in the other related lines either. Was not changed in the other nearby lines either. Yeah. Like if it was not changed here, then there's no reason to change it here, right? Just leave the white space as it was. Just put the static cast. Okay, here we have again no static cast. No static casts here. I wonder, wouldn't it make sense to just make the command bar size offset then a different type? Let me see. This guy. So it's an enum. Let me ask if the command bar size offset is only used as a float. How about making it a float type in the first place? Then all these static casts would not be necessary. Yeah. I think that might be the better solution here. What about this one? Maybe the same here. Same for other enum types. Used as floats. Yeah, because then Yeah. I mean, if a type is used as like an integer, then it's okay. Then leave it as an enum. But if it's exclusively used as float, might as well just make it a float type, right? Yeah. Or real in this case. Yeah. Um, white space change unnecessary. Yeah, I would recommend to revisit this thing, and because then it wouldn't be necessary to do all these static casts everywhere. Yeah, I suggest to revisit this. Okay, let's see the next thing. What is this? Oof. Static cast long. So border color. Border color. It's so long, yeah. Um, let me see. Um, perhaps can use the L suffix on numbers instead. L. We'll have to try. I'm not sure. Static cast int. Okay. So region, I region 2D. What is that? I caught 2D int xy. Okay. So size y times, that's a double. Huh. Okay. And then what? Why is this casted? Does this warning only appear because of, what is the title of this? Narrowing conversion, yeah. Okay. So I suspect The problem here is 0.885 is a double 8 bytes. But in VC6, this double is a float, I believe. We can we check? But in VC6 builds, this double is a float, I believe. Can we check? Then if this is a double, if this is a float, then we can simply make it a float here. If this is a float in VC6, then we can simply make it a float here as well. Dot 885F. Yeah, I think that would also fix it. I think. Can we check if this is a float in VC6? Then we can simply make it a float here as well. Check with Thompson's 26. Okay. Fixing warnings related to narrowing. By the way, let me see if we have here progress on this guy. No, hold on. This one. So 17 checks have passed. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then from my side, this is fine. Head review. Approve. I suspect you will not merge with rebase. This should not be a single commit in mainline. Yeah, good. This looks okay to me. Then let's get back here to these guys. So let's see this one here. Pointer, yeah. LX. Get double. Oof. Let me see. Printf. F. L. L. LF. That's not a combination. Yeah, let me double check though. So LF is not a valid combination, correct? Let me post this here. LF is not a valid combination, correct? Yeah, this is a critical code here. This. So this better not fail. LF, where it says get double. It is asking for double. Hold on. Hold on. Here. L. Long double. What is a long double? Long double. What is this? Long double. Long double, floating point data type is often more precise than double. So F is a double. Let me printf. Print. Well, let's say scanf double. Scanf double. LD. LF. Use the LF format specifier to read a double. This was 2012. LF to print a double was added in C99. Long float double. Let me. Are we 100% sure about this thing? Also in regards to VS6. See. This function is called get double. This function is used to pass a double. Let me say, making a mistake here will break compatibility, most likely. Yeah, this one is not a problem, it's just dump exception for, that's fine. But this one, it's any parsing. If we if we screw up here the parsing of float numbers, then there's a very high chance that something will break, right? So that better be very carefully evaluated. This one, this should be size T, no? Let's say several times in this change. Yeah. Okay, and then there's one more. Oof. Right. Okay. Remove the leading 0. The leading 0 from these numbers. They have 9 digits. They currently have 9 digits. This comment is not necessary. This whole comment is not necessary. Okay, here we have a 3000 line change. Let's see what's up there. This is the last change you're looking at, yeah. Oof. Jesus Christ. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think we are crashing the website here. Yeah. Oh boy. Huh. Ah. the compiler warning. The compiler gives a warning about an unsigned integer being assigned to a signed integer. The type cannot be changed. Is there any valuable information in this comment? The compiler gives a warning about an unsigned integer. Well, after the fix, that is no longer the case. Being assigned to a signed integer. The type of SYN lookup cannot be changed. That's information that's interesting because some of these values are negative. The warning is suppressed by casting the values to the correct type. I don't know. Let me ask, is this comment really useful for the next reader? It is obvious. It is obvious that casting that, yeah. It could do without. Yeah, it doesn't look very useful to me. So we still had the story about the copy constructors. That I need to look another time. I need to look another time. I don't fully understand yet what's going on here. Let me just put this. The numbers, the pull numbers in the commit titles are wrong. Yeah, let's go with that review. Remove space. No need for that comment. White space was changed. The command is only used as float. How about making it a float type in the first place? Then all these static casts would not be necessary. Same for other enum types used as floats. Are we 100% sure about this thing also in regards to VS6? Good. Let's get back to this change here. Squash merge. Yeah. Go, go, go. Uh, the original tools also link Hue library. Link Hue game engine. Let me look once more at his files here. Yeah. Well, I don't understand 80% of that script. Good. Then, yeah, so we have pushed 2 changes. We have made reviews for 2 changes. When this is merged, then we will have everything compiling with Visual Studio 2022 and C++20, and we will have GitHub builds, so no one will be able to break anything via 6 or the new one. Yeah. Okay, that's good. I like it. Then what's the time? Yeah, I think I will take I will end it here. Yeah, very tired already. The next session, what do we do? I would like to hand away the assembler thingy. Yeah. Let me see here. I think. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. There is some assembler stuff left in the profile library. Z profile library. That's Z profile. Yeah, Z profile. Okay. Yeah, maybe we can look at this once more next session. Yeah. And afterwards, I would like to look into porting the Renegade tools over. Yeah. Yeah. And but before that, we need to merge the runtime fixes for 0 hour and generals. Yeah. So that the people can actually run it. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Then I will end it here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.